is up, y'all? Welcome back to Qui Nichelle on the channel. Y'all know we talk about fashion, beauty, and life. And y'all, today I'm doing a good old cooking video. I'm going to make some Cajun chicken and sausage pasta. And then I'm also going to make some lemonade sweet tea or lemon sweet tea. Kind of like an Arnold Palmer, if that y'all know what that is. That's like a lemonade and tea mix. So I'm gonna be making that in this video. Before we get into the video, make sure that you do thumbs the video up, leave a comment, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Also, never forget to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, honey, because y'all know how we do on the channel. So y'all, I already have a pot of water on the stove. I am going to start there for my noodles, and then of course, and y'all, this is a simple dish because I got pre-cooked chicken, so I just gotta cut this up, and then I have this blend, and y'all, this blend is new. Y'all know how we normally get the other one. We have some of that, but this is a seasoning blend. So this one has onions, celery, red peppers, green peppers, and parsley flakes. So I want to try that one because it sounds like good stuff all in one little bag. And then we just have a sausage we're going to cut up. And honey, the noodles. Y'all know I'm going to make my Alfredo sauce from scratch. So we got to have us some heavy cream. And you can use half and half or milk. I like heavy cream because it gives it like a thicker, saucy texture. And then I am going to use fresh Parmesan. I am also going to make some garlic butter Parmesan croissants. I don't know why I wanted some croissants, y'all. I don't know, but yeah. So we're going to do a garlic Parmesan croissant. And then this cream cheese is for my Alfredo. And then of course we got some butter. And then I'll be using some Knorr. Y'all know I love this chicken bouillon. This salt is just for the water when it boils. And we're gonna use some black pepper, some garlic powder, seasoned salt, onion powder, and a little bit of crushed red peppers. And then for my tea, I bought a bag of lemons and just some regular little tea. And then of course we're gonna use purified water. We're gonna get the water off of the refrigerator. And y'all, this is not got nothing to do with the cooking, but look at my new cup, y'all. This is so cute. I got this at Walmart just now. Me and baby went to Walmart to pick this little stuff up, and these were 50% off. So this cup was like $3, and it's pretty big, and it's so cute. So I picked up a little cup, and that was just right here. So I just decided to show y'all. But we're gonna go ahead and get into the video. And y'all, I don't know if I'm gonna talk or play music because this is so simple. I don't know if I really have to talk through it. So I'll probably just play y'all some music and y'all can watch me cook and cut up the stuff or whatever. But we'll be back in just a second. Okay, y'all, so I don't know if I was recording or not because the camera cut off or something. But I have the water for the pasta, and I put some salt in it and some Knorr. And then I just put a lid on it so I can go ahead and boil. I do have my water on for my tea, so I'm gonna start that to boiling, and now I'm finna cut up the chicken and the sausage.
Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love. that's true. And I'm digging you. Make me believe that your love is
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, just on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my all summer, all summer, $4 in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the stone and hours, like we planned it. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my 4-5 something, 4-5 something, 4-5 something, 4-5 something. We took both, we took both, we took both, we took both. One in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got Spanish, excuse my manners, I got Spanish, I got status, you want steady, see more comments, and I see commas, they gon' tell me, we going down to, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas brown me, high that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, pride that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a son adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at the guy. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
Yeah.
Work, 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 work. Do me, I be work, 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 work. Do me, dirt, 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 dirt. So me for that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, and the girls in her, da, 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 da. Join me at dessert. Let the devil lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the race. Nobody touched me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I'm a seed for decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and then nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me?
Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. And y'all know I am going to have baby to taste it. Okay, so baby is about to taste it. So what you think on it so far?
Good.
You like it? It's 2 thumbs up?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so there y'all have it. Baby likes it. Okay, y'all, so now I am done with everything. And here is the finishing tea with the lemon in it. Now, y'all, I should have cut a lemon up and put some actually in there. And I did taste it, and it is perfect. It just need to be cold, but of course I'm putting mine on ice. Because I'm drinking some of this with my dinner. Y'all, this is so good. And the reason I had a taste for it is because when me and baby go eat, a lot of times I get an Arnold Palmer. And I just had a taste for it. So I made some fresh at home. And I might actually cut a lemon up and put some in there, or either put some in my glass. I'm not sure yet. But y'all, that is the end of the video. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for supporting the channel. Make sure that you do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. And also never forget to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, because y'all know how we do on the channel. And honey, y'all already know we are out.